In this video, I will show you how to create a Trust Wallet account. So to do this, first just go and open up Trust Wallet, so you can either download the app or open it up on your browser, and then click on Create New Wallet. From here, just create a passcode that you want to use to unlock your wallet in the future. Then confirm your passcode by entering it again. And now you can create a new wallet using a secret phrase or SWIFT. I'm just going to use a secret phrase. So you just want to click on create on whichever one you want to use. And then here it says backup secret phrase. You can back it up manually or in iCloud. And then after doing that, you will have successfully created your wallet. And you can see right now I can start sending, receiving, buying, selling, and all of that from my wallet. So now you know how to create a Trust Wallet account. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.